Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import the Cpen token into your Trust wallet quickly and easily. But before we get started, please be advised that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to open your Trust Wallet app on your device, and you want to be on the home page. This one, the first page. And from here, you want to scroll down and click on Manage Crypto. Then you want to click the plus icon at the upper right corner of the screen, this one, and you want to choose a network. Currently, it says Ethereum, but you want to click that and choose BNB Smart Chain. Now make sure to choose BNB Smart Chain since the Cpen token operates on this network. Then it's time to input the token details. In the address field, you want to paste the Cpen token address, and you can usually find this in the message section of the Cpen app, where they message everyone in the community with an address. And once everything's entered correctly, you want to tap on import, and basically that's it. The Cpen token will now appear on your Trust Wallet's token list, ready for you to view, receive, or send anytime. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!